You are about to fall so deeply in love with your life, you're going to be honeymoon staging with yourself. Because I see a big windfall, large sums of money hitting your account, a big career opportunity. Your name is being spoken of in rooms that you have no idea it's being spoken of, and yet you're being watched because your success is growing. And you're about to have the biggest glow-up of your life right now in peacocks. So the next time you see a peacock, that is a sign that this is for you. I'm also seeing stress, dandruff. I'm getting a little bit of that too, and that's something that I've had chronically. But I'm seeing that for you. I'm seeing you kind of stressing out over something and then realizing that was actually no big deal. And I'm really happy that that did not happen for me. And peacocks represent a large sums of monies and huge glow-up. I'm seeing that not only is your bank account about to have a glow-up, your career about to have a glow-up, but your beauty, your physical health, no effort is wasted getting the numbers. 2010, 1999, 1996. You could be a 90s baby. If you really want to anchor in this energy, go ahead, claim and affirm. I welcome in wealth with ease and trust. What I'm seeing is that you've learned some new method of manifesting, or you've committed to something. You may have not even started it that long ago, but you're about to really see the progress in your life. I want to get one more message for you. Yeah, literally, the Six of Coins, that. What I'm seeing is that you're going to have so much to give, and you're already a very generous person, but you're learning to be generous with yourself. And there's something about the universe kind of owing you, like you going through some really tough shit and being like, when is it going to be my turn? Well, guess what? This is your turning point. This is where the tables are turning, where you're getting your chance. You're getting your chance to shine. You're getting your chance to succeed because you chose you.